Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get into the video. Begin by opening Adobe Premiere Pro and import the footage with the green screen background and the video or image you want to replace it with. Now select the green screen footage, go to the Effects panel, search for Ultra K and drag it onto the green screen footage. In the Effect Controls panel, select the Ultra K effects. Use the Eyedropper to select the green color to remove. As you see, the green screen is removed. Now drag the replacement video or image to the timeline below the green screen footage. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.